Imagine that you are the head of the marketing department at a company, and you want to know exactly what your customers are interested in and to what extent they may be interested. Now, imagine that just by showing the consumer images of your product or advertisement, you could see via activity in the brain how they respond to each altered image and which is best received. My name is Celia McDowell. I'm a psychology and business double major at Chapman University, and I'm an undergraduate research assistant at the Institute for Interdisciplinary Brain and Behavioral Sciences. I'm interested in using various neuroimaging techniques, such as EEG and MEG, to scan neural responses to products and advertising and apply that information back to the business sector. Now, these two techniques are probably the closest thing we have to being able to read minds. So let's imagine you bring in a sample of consumers for a study on their implicit reaction to a video advertisement showing off your product. You first want to find out which part of the advertisement is most engaging to viewers. In this case, you would attach them to an electroencephalogram, or EEG. EEG picks up on the electrical signals of the neurons in your brain communicating and relates that information onto a graph. This graph looks something like a very busy heart rate monitor and tells you exactly at what point in time your brain was most active, down to the smallest millisecond. This will show you exactly at which part of your advertisement viewers were most engaged and interested. But unfortunately, this is pretty much how far EEG can take you. And say now you're looking to find out what aspect of that particular part of your advertisement was stimulating. So you would then turn to magnetoencephalography, or MEG. This machine is able to pick up on where exactly your brain is becoming more active, as close as 3 millimeters. So say the EEG told you that the most engaging part of your video was when someone was spraying perfume, which is your product, onto themselves. If the MEG then showed that the area of your brain being activated was the one in which smells are generally processed, you would know that your message is coming across right. In conclusion, EEG and MEG, though often thought of as strictly applicable to psychology and neuroscience, can be used in all domains, including business and marketing. So I hope that if you're ever in a position similar to the one we talked about, you remember how beneficial these two tools can be and maybe try to apply them. Thank you.